One of my favorites, Beatrush. Yes, now I've had this piece. Actually, I've had this piece for, I don't even know. Check this thing out, dude. Beatrush, boy, whale, that gold. I've had this piece. Oh, look at that, dude. Heck yeah. Yeah, that thing's sweet. I've had this thing for a minute. I've had this thing probably for, I don't even know, at least a year or so. I don't know why I've never put it on, but I just haven't. But now that we're putting everything on, we're doing it. So let's get under here. This is a rear subframe, some sort of rear subframe brace. Now I don't know what this thing's, maybe, again, this is, well, I didn't know what the roof bar was gonna do, and that thing made a big difference, and I wasn't sure. But this, so we're under the car, here's the rear diff. Right here's the rear diff. You come in a little closer. There you go. Here's the rear diff. This is the rear subframe right here. And this thing, it's got these little holes. That's actually pretty sweet. Let me put that down for a second. Actually, if you come up in here, right here's the subframe. Here's the rear diff. You see the CV axles. Right under the frame, there's actually, you can see right here, there's these two holes. This side also has two holes, so it's already got these holes. Now I don't know why they're there. There's nothing in them, but they're there, and Beatrush made a brace that goes right in there. So I mean, really, I thought I was have to do some drilling or back out some rusty bolts, and it's just not the case. So look, it even comes with new hardware, of course. And let's just get this thing installed. This is cool. Now I don't know. Again, I just like this manufacturer. I think they got cool parts, and I'm gonna assume that this definitely does something. I'm gonna assume it does. All right, so let's check this thing out. This is, again, it's just, I love the gold. We got the gold theme going on here. Sick. I mean, again, they got quality hardware, of course, with Beatrush all the time. I mean, look at that stuff. And this thing is gonna go right up in there. You can see the holes. It really just goes up in there. And there we go. Yeah. Maybe we can get a little better shot of this. Look at that. It just fits in those already existing holes, and it fits right in there. I mean, it fits perfect. It's super flush. Now somehow I just got to get some bolts and screws back there and see how this is gonna work. And see if we can. I don't know how I'm even gonna do that, but we're gonna do it. It's not up to Beatrush how it gets installed. That's on you. So. I probably should have put a little anti-seize on these, shouldn't I? Yeah, let me get some of that. And we're back. I'm gonna use a little bit of anti-seize. This is New England. It's gonna get rusty, it's gonna get dirty. So the anti-seize is just one tiny little bit of protection that we can do to help. In case one day we have to take one of these bolts off. Yes, all right, yeah, let's stay back and check that out. Is that lined up right? It doesn't look, it looks a little bit off. It doesn't look super parallel, but I don't know if that arch is, yeah, that arch is really not, look at that. It's a little bit less of an arch there, and then it comes down and this is much tighter, so it looks like this is not sitting flat, but that's interesting. I just noticed that. Look at that. Those arches, that looks much steeper than that one, but hey, it is what it is. It looks dope. And yeah, dude, set it off so it's got clearance between that and the frame. Right in there you've got a little bit of clearance. You could probably go like right about, probably give it some space. On this one right there, you got a little bit, that's plenty of space. It ain't going anywhere once I tighten that down. Yeah, we'll even level it, make sure it's right where yeah, right there. Heck yeah. There we go, we got a little gold. More Beatrush. 2005 Subaru Forester Beatrush rear subframe brace installed. What is that Beatrush? Yeah. All right, dude, this is pretty sick. All right, so you just watched me install that Lael Beatrush rear diff brace. That thing is awesome. Looks so good. Cannot wait to get out and drive this thing, see how what kind of differences it makes. But you saw me install it. It looks sick. Let's take a look at that one more time. There she is, looking so good. Okay, so she's under there. That looks so good. And you know, the Lael Beatrush stuff is just some of my favorite stuff. It probably is one of my favorite manufacturers. It's just amazing stuff. You've seen this is the only one on YouTube video. That's the roof brace, and that thing is amazing. I cannot wait to get that back in once the interior is in, because that just looks insane. If you got a Subaru Forester and you don't have one of them roof braces, go to Lael Beatrush and buy one. You won't be disappointed. It looks so good. Come on. So I just haven't seen any out there. So maybe I'm the first, probably not, but I don't see many other ones that have it. I'm so stoked. Okay, so you've seen the other video of did I order that? And that was the Lael Beatrush radiator cooling plate, which is right here. Again, we got that Beatrush logo. Oh, again, this thing is awesome. This is cool. Now, again, I don't know how these things work, these radiator cooling plates. I think it just looks great. I love the gold, so I got it. Well, somehow I ordered it and it showed up. I don't remember ordering it, but late night purchase while I was just half asleep. But this thing looks awesome. So I got it. Let's see, right? I had to take it off because we've been doing work and I don't want to scratch it up. So we know it's gonna fit on right there, right in the front. Is this the right way? Yeah. It goes under the radiator support. Yeah, it's gonna go right there. So that's where that goes. And check this out, dude. This is incredible. All right, so I get another text saying I have a delivery coming from Japan. And this time, after ordering that other Beatrush radiator cooling plate, I was checking my credit cards. I said, I know for a fact I didn't order that or buy that. I'm not doing that twice. So I'm like, I didn't know it was coming. So, you know, finally gets here 3 or 4 weeks later, and what do I have? I mean, the matching pulley cover from Beatrush. Look at that thing, dude. The matching dun 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 pulley cover, which is gonna sit right about there. I don't have the brackets on right now for the pulley cover, but it's gonna see. You guys all know where that goes. It goes right about here. We'll put it right there. Yes. So that's gonna sit right about there. Once I got the covers and all that back on, the pulley cover. So, Mr. Johnny Turbo, where'd that come from? Listen, Lael Beatrush, you just sent it to me. I don't know. I'm at a loss of words. I'm pretty stoked. You didn't ask me to pay for it. You just sent it to me, Lael Beatrush. And I mean, I'm stoked. I couldn't be. Do you understand what I'm saying? They just sent it to me. You guys are the best. So somehow, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. So somehow, between maybe one of the comments I left saying how cool this product was, or, I mean, is it possible they saw one of the videos? I don't know, but people, Lael Beatrush, I mean, just my favorite company pretty much. They sent me a free cooling plate. So I guess this video is kind of sponsored by Lael Beatrush, right? Without them really sponsoring me, but they sort of are. They gave me that. So Lael Beatrush, thank you so much. I mean, truly, I'm speechless, really am. Not what I expected, not what I ever asked for, but I mean, I cannot complain, because look at this thing. And honestly, I'm gonna tell you this, I didn't realize that they had a pulley cover. It just wasn't something that I looked into. Honestly, I was just gonna keep the plastic one that came with it, the OEM. No idea that Lael Beatrush even made a pulley cover, and this thing is, that thing is awesome. The color, it's got the little thing for the bracket to go on. It's just a great addition to the engine bay. I'm super stoked, and I'm just Beatrush all day long. Beatrush all day long. And what I am doing, and I said this in another video, I'm kind of doing a little bit of cheating. I have a strut mount, a strut bar, and I'm gonna paint the end brackets, the brackets for the strut tower mount brace, the strut tower brace. I'm gonna paint the brackets gold. that will kind of sort of match this gold. And actually, no, I think I even have one inside. I'll get it. But Lael Beatrush, seriously, truly thank you. I'm speechless, and I can't thank you enough. This is so cool. I'm gonna hit you guys up and see if I can't talk to someone over there to further show how much I appreciate this. It's super cool, and yeah, it looks insane. I'm pretty much gonna try and get the entire Beatrush catalog in this car. So I've got a couple of races, I've got this, and then the big daddy that I really want to get, and I'm not trying to put any pressure on you, Beatrush, but that lightweight front subframe, oh, that gold lightweight Beatrush front subframe is what I'm going to try and get after next. Super expensive, but it's, again, I don't know many people who have that piece either, and you know, maybe by the time I do get it, someone else will already have a video and see how cool it is, but I doubt it. I'm gonna get it, and I cannot wait to put that on. So Lael Beatrush, thank you so much. You know, I get a couple of product ideas for you that I can hit you up off with. That would be really sweet. Maybe we could even do a special Johnny Turbo edition, a Johnny Turbo edition cooling plate, maybe radiator fin, or a couple of other products I'm thinking in mind, a couple small things. Dang, I can't believe it. Dude, he sent me that. All right, thanks again. I'm sure you get the point. I'm super excited. I can't believe it, Lael Beatrush. Thank you so much. I mean, it's incredible. All right, I know some other people out there that are YouTubers, and they get all kinds of stuff, and they're just like, oh yeah, got this, that, and the other thing for free. But I mean, I'm truly thankful. So stoked. Never had an idea that this would happen. Not really what I was looking for. But I mean, I just wasn't out there to put videos to get free stuff. But I mean, this is insane, Beatrush. This is, I mean, yes, so cool. So with that, we're gonna leave it. Thanks again, Johnny Turbo. Please subscribe, like the videos. It's just me in my driveway, in my backyard. All right, and 2 toolboxes, and then I got a bag of tools. All right, so a bag and 2 boxes of tools, my driveway, and me. All right, and I'm just having a awesome time. I'm loving putting these videos out. It's pretty cool. And then somehow Lael Beatrush sending me stuff. Insane. So truly, from the bottom of my heart, Lael Beatrush, I thank you so much. Super cool. Like and subscribe to my videos, Johnny Turbo. And if you want to go check me out on Instagram, I'm Johnny_Turbo_Boston on the gram. You can get over there and check me out. And again, I got some extra parts in this build that are going to be left over. I put on the new intercooler, so I have an old 06 STI intercooler that I don't need anymore. I'll just give it away to somebody. I've got a bunch of extra stuff that I bought that I just never end up using that I'm going to give away. I'm sure someone could use some of the stuff, and I don't want just sitting around going to waste and collecting dust in my basement. So that's what's coming. Thanks again. Please subscribe, and that is today's video. All right, guys, thanks.